A suspended Genesee County police chief was in court today, as a judge will decide if the case against him will go to trial. Robert Kenny is facing embezzlement and obstruction of justice charges related to thousands of pieces of military equipment received by his two-man department. TV5's Rachel McCrary takes us inside the courtroom as several witnesses took the stand.
I believe it was in excess of $2 million.
Larry George says the Thetford Township Police Department received a lot of equipment through his work, the Law Enforcement Support Office known as LESO. The program gives access Department of Defense equipment to law enforcement agencies across the country. Suspended Police Chief Robert Kenny is accused of selling some of that equipment as salvage for his own financial gain.
If an item is salvaged or scrapped and a check issues and the name Robert Kenny as opposed to Thetford Township Police Department or Thetford Township is written on that check, is that problematic with the agreement?
Yes.
The Genesee County Sheriff claims that in 2012 and early 2013, Kenny took several military-grade metal storage containers obtained through the program and sold them as scrap and deposited the money in his personal account. In court today, the defense acknowledged that fact, but says Kenny was allowed to do that.
It's my understanding of this, you can take that money in your personal capacity, and as long as it's used for the law enforcement entity, that's okay.
Taking the stand today was Shauna Myers, who worked at Monster Scrap in Clio, where some of the equipment ended up. Defense attorney Frank Manley asked her why money for equipment was given to Kenny.
Important because the theory of the case is that Mr. Kenny is trying to circumvent the rules and have township monies made out to him, checks, but that's not true, is it?
Well, it wasn't.
In court today, we also learned that the Thetford Township Police Department has suspended itself from the LESO program. In Genesee County, Rachel McCrary, WNEM TV5.
Thank you, Rachel. And Kenny is due back in court in June.